Today we have a Nissan Maxima front pillar tweeter removal. We're going to start with our pry bar at the top edge of the plastic panel going down the pillar and work our way along the edge of this panel, releasing several clips. These clips release with pry pressure. This will allow you to pull the top section of the panel back away from the pillar and grasp the edge of the panel and pull it straight up. There is a tongue on the bottom of this panel that fits a groove across the dash, and we want to make sure this mates up when reinstalling. This is going to give access to the tweeter. It is pushed onto two mounts, and slight pry and pull pressure will release this tweeter assembly from the pillar. This will allow you to release the connector and remove the tweeter and replace it. When reinstalling this panel, be sure to check the weather stripping along the outside of the door panel. Hope this video has been helpful. See our website for other updates, and thank you for watching.